Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to print large Excel spreadsheet on multiple pages. Okay, there is a many situation you may be faced. So I will show you my Excel. So let's start with the video. So let's start with the video. Here we have some data. You can see I have header. Okay, sometime what happen when you preview, then it will be like pages one and more, and the header will not repeat. So how you can repeat header to know which data belongs to? Okay, and if you see this all, we have large Excel sheet, and this page header number 9, this is a page breaker. Okay, so after this page breaker show that this is page number 1, and after that it will be print on page number 2. So I want to make it on page number 1 only. So what is the solution? So first let's see print preview. So you can see we have 4 pages here. Okay, because we have large data. So first we need to fix the page. So I want to print all this data in one page. Okay, so I have header 17 header. So first we have to go in page layout, and or in orientation you have to switch it in landscape. Okay, it by default it will be portable portrait, but you have to switch in landscape. Now go to the preview view and go to page break, and you can see this page break here, and the page will be cut from here, and this data will be print on next page. Okay, so we have to hold this line and just scroll to left. Now you can see all data now appearing in one page. When you go to the preview, you can see there is only two page, and all data has been addressed in one page only. So okay, so now we are going to see how to repeat headers. Okay, when you go into print, you can see this header for first page, but when you go to the second page, header is not repeated, and we now unable to understood which data belongs to. Okay, so how we can do this? So just view normal and go to the page layout. Okay, and here go to the more option, and more option go to the sheet, and here you have to select the rows, which rows you want to report. So click on it, and click on it and select it, so it will be select. Okay, if you want to repeat columns, then you can select the column also, but in my case I just repeat header. Okay, so just click on OK. Now if you go and check in print preview, you can see header has been added to all pages. Okay, so now if you want to add page number, you can add here. Okay, just go to the this option page layout, and here you can see the header option has been appear here. You will see the two column in header. So in here you have to insert page number. Just click on it, go to the view, so page layout, insert. Okay, okay, click on this page layout. Okay, and now you have to go in, click on any box which you have seen here. Any, there is a three box, just select one, and here you will see header and footer tools. Okay, just click on it, then your pages and header and footer tools will be activate. Now you have to click on page number and just check the one page and second page has been appear. Okay, so it is easy to calculate page when you print it. Okay, so you can also add current time, file name. Okay, any, if you want to upload logo, you can upload logo from here, current time. Okay, so just go to the normal view, click here. Now when you go to print and preview it, you can see page number and header has been repeated. Just print it. I hope you like this video. Thank you.